Okay, this is the first of a series of very short revision tutorials on how to set up your major project. Also in the folder following this series of quick revisions are the revision videos that I did for the minor project, which probably go into things in a little more detail if you don't understand what's happening at the front here. So obviously the first thing you will need to do is to run the RealCAD program. Starting a new drawing, we can drag the custom menu across to the left hand side there, keeping all those shortcuts very handy. Now we're working in 3 dimensions with this program, so just working with the top view is not going to be satisfactory. You should always have a 3-dimensional view. In this case I'm choosing the ISO view, which of course plots itself right on top of the other one. A shortcut to tile the windows is Control W. Now RealCAD always begins in color 0, layer 0, style 0 and line weight 0. So for that reason, layer 0 I want you to label as temp. So in other words, you don't put anything permanently part of your model there, you just use it for any temporary construction work you might want to do. If time permits, it would be nice to create a photorealistic image, but this is very low priority. But nevertheless, let's plan for it. So call this layer 1 ray trace. Ray tracing is a very clever technique that can produce virtually photographic images of your model. So the first part of your actual model is going to be on layer 2, and that needs to be a single component. Left leg I've decided to call that, but there are going to be 2 left legs, so front left leg. Save that name and click on OK to actually work in this layer. And now I'm going to quickly model the leg. Now having modeled it, it doesn't fit on the screen, so the custom menu zoom to fit sorts the thing out for me. Don't forget, obviously the scroll wheel will zoom in and out, and by pressing on the scroll wheel like a mouse button you can pick up and drag your model wherever you want it. Now this is supposed to be the front left leg, so going towards my right here will be a front rail, going towards the back will be a front rail. So I want to really work on this front section of my model, and up in this top corner is where I'm going to draw a mortise. At this stage I'm going to go to File and Save. Find the HSC course, the Integ folio, and here is a RealCAD folder ready set up, and I'm just going to call this table. You don't name the part, you name the whole project, because all the parts are going to be in the same file. End the name with a space and 01. Hopefully you won't do more than 99 models, and save that. And that ends this first quick tutorial.